Welcome home. We are here in Pine Ridge Estates at 4081 West Roundup Court. This is in the horse approved section of the community, and I'm going to walk you around this house, just let you get a feel for it. This is a beautifully constructed Sweetwater model. It's got a lot of upgrades. We're going to talk about all of that. This house was built in 2013. And as you walk through, you're going to notice some things like the rounded corners, bullnose corners, lots of deco nooks. If you look up here right off the entry, very nice decorator area where you can put a few items, a whole bunch of display if you've got a lot of collectibles, whatever you like, but very lovely spaces to just make things complement your taste. Right off the entry, we have a nice office. You're noticing they're very high ceilings, so the house feels very expansive. To the other side of the entry, we have a coat closet. You don't generally get coat closets in Florida homes in this area, so that's quite nice to have. We don't wear coats very often, but it's still handy to have a place to stow those jackets and coats and purses. Then we walk into the primary suite. You've got a beautiful hallway here, again with some decorative display areas. You've got a lovely, good sized bedroom with the tray ceiling. Beautiful transom window there, and I'll walk you over here because what we have here is the French door. It does have the built-in screen, and it goes out to this great porch I'm going to show you in a minute. So lots of access points to get to the screened porch. It is a large screened lanai. This primary suite has an ensuite. We've got an awesome walk-in closet. You've got the attic access up there if you need to access this end of the house, the attic space. And then lovely bathroom, granite countertops, 2 sinks, 2 vanities, a good sized linen closet, the snail shower, and this is a true walk-in shower. Another nice transom window in the shower. So lots of natural light. Water closet here, and that really makes the home feel very inviting and very warm. Double doors here as well as the double door entry, always nice features. Look at this dining room. Now if you don't need a formal dining room, this could be a nice little living area as well. So this can be used for a number of things, but it works beautifully as a dining area right off the kitchen, right off the breakfast nook. Little hallway then that takes you through to the kitchen. Again, granite countertops, large 1 basin sink, very functional, full appliance package here. And this cabinet here has the pull-outs. So really nice space to keep all of your non-perishable items. And then in addition, you've got a lovely pantry, lots of shelving in here, so you can be very organized in your kitchen. This hallway then goes to the laundry. We've got a pocket door here, which is quite handy if you want to close your laundry space off. Sometimes the laundry area gets a little messy, and it's nice to be able to hide everything just by closing that door. And then of course we have the garage. Now this is a 2-car garage, but I want you to see and take note that there's more space here than just for 2 cars. You have storage space. You've got extra width on both sides, service door there, but with that extra space on both sides of the garage door, you can definitely store some things. You've got space in the back here you can still park the car in, refrigerator, freezer. The water heater is nicely tucked in the corner there, so out of the way. And then of course there is a sprinkler system, and I'll show you when we go out back. There is a well for the sprinkler system, and that well pump was just replaced last year. So now we have this lovely breakfast nook with this seamless window that lets you look outside onto your acreage. Now this is 1.71 acres, and like I said earlier, it is approved for horses. This is our equestrian community of Pine Ridge Estates. So if you wanted to set this property up and fence it and put a barn, you could do all of that and have a couple of horses out here. Here's our guest wing. So first off, the guest bathroom, you're noticing same granite. Everything is very cohesive throughout. Same finishes. One of the nice things you get when you're buying a bit newer of a home. We're not needing to do a bunch of updating, and we've got similar finishes throughout. High ceilings again, even in these guest bedrooms. There's 2 guest bedrooms, all have fans and lights. You've got nice sliders off of this bedroom out to the patio. And one of the neat things too is this house not only has a great wraparound screened lanai, which we'll see here in just a moment, it also has a paved patio, concrete patio. And that gives you extra space for dining, for grilling, all the good things. Here's the other bedroom. This one's got the decorative features there. And again, the fan and the light. So very move-in ready home that you can just unpack your bags and fall in love. Check out this lanai. This is fantastic. Wraps around, lots of space to work with here. These sliders recess all the way back. I've got that one open so you can see that nice flow. You can do the same here. So you can walk right in the house, have your friends dine, and then come right outside to the fire pit, to the outdoor dining, have a couple of cocktails, whatever the, the flavor of the day is. And here is your beautiful back acreage. It's so private. It feels like a park to me. We've got the well tank there, you can see, and the pump. And then this carport and this shed have electric service to them. You notice how tall this carport is. So this is ready to go for your motorhome, your RV, plenty of space there, or if you just want extra covered area for storage or for additional vehicles, toys, boat, all those fun things. This is a community that allows you to do those kinds of things on your property, have a boat and trailer parked. Your horse trailer could very well fit in that carport. So, and it's so nice to keep those kinds of things covered and protected from the weather. We don't have terrible weather here, but it still can be really nice to be able to keep things protected. So this is it. Really fantastic property here in Pine Ridge Estates, and would love to show this to you in person. If you think this is a good fit for your needs, please reach out. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group. We bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. We are with eXp Realty, and you can reach the team at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.